At your age, if you get 1 million, what will you do the money?
I will use the half of it to spend, the half of to save.
How do you spend?
Whatever I want.
And then the half?
Save.
Just keep it in my piggy bank.
Wow, good answer. If you get 1 million, how do you spend the money? And 3 reasons.
I will give it to charity.
Mm-hmm.
I will also give some to my family.
Mm.
And I will also keep some for myself. Because it's good to give.
Mm.
For your family, it's good to give back. It's also good to keep for yourself.
Okay.